Good evening. Today I'm here with Sula Majtanova. She's an eco-specialist for microplastics. We're here to ask her some serious questions about this problem. Ms. Majtanova, what can you tell me about microplastics?
Microplastics are small pieces of plastics, usually smaller than 5 millimeters, which can be really harmful for the nature, especially oceans.
Why are microplastics such a problem?
Microplastics may be poisonous for animals that ate microplastics. Turtles are the most endangered.
Are microplastics harmful to humans?
Yes, microplastics can also affect the human body in a bad way because they contain toxic chemicals, for example heavy metals.
Do we eat microplastics?
Yes, the average person eats at least 50,000 particles of microplastics a year.
Thank you for the interview.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Plastic pollution in numbers. 30 million tons of plastic leak into the ocean each year. 90% of bottled water found to contain plastic particles. It takes 100 years for plastic to degrade in the environment. 83% of tap water found to contain plastic particles. 100,000 marine animals killed by plastic each year. Thank you very much. This is the end of the program.
Welcome everyone. In today's episode we will talk about a very important topic, which is air pollution.
Air pollution is a big issue, especially in cold and industrial countries.
But what exactly is air pollution? We will find out in the second part of the episode, which starts now. What is air pollution?
Air pollution is a kind of pollution that are toxic particles that are present in the air. They can be toxic or radioactive or...
What is the main cause of air pollution?
The main cause of air pollution are fabrics and cars, that's for sure, and also burning low quality coal in houses and trash.
What are the effects of air pollution?
The substances that are that comes to the air pollution can induce cancer, various lung diseases, eye irritation.
Is air pollution bad in Poland?
Poland is one of the most air polluted country in Europe, but also we are not the saints. There are also many countries. This red line is average. Here we have cities and amount of air pollution that they are producing. And as far as you can see, Krakow is the highest. It is maybe even 3 or 4 times more than it should be, and the lowest is in Stockholm. So yes, probably Poland is one of the more polluted countries in the European Union.
That's all for today. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
So, water pollution has become an increasing problem on our Earth, which is affecting the human and animal lives. Water pollution occurs when chemicals, waste or other particles cause a body of water to become harmful to everybody. Joining me now is an environmental expert, Gabriela. Hi. So, what are the causes of water pollution?
There are natural causes such as volcanoes, animal waste, silts from floods, and human causes such as sewage, fertilizers, waste, rain, etc., etc. In this picture you can see what humans are doing with trash.
So, what are the consequences of water pollution?
Aquatic animals are dying, and that causes destruction of food chains, and for us humans are disease from drinking polluted water.
So, what can we do to control water pollution?
So there are a few steps that we all can follow. They're very easy. Number 1, always look for the correct waste bin for throwing waste. Number 2, save water. Close the tap when not in use. Number 3, do not throw waste, chemicals, solids, and medicine in the same tray. And number 4, try planting more trees or don't cut them down.
Thank you for your time. It was very inspiring. And don't forget,
Go green!
Good morning, everyone. Today, we're talking about cutting down trees. I'm here with an ecology expert to help us understand why it's a big problem.
Thanks for having me. Cutting down the trees hurts the environment a lot. It messes up nature and makes climate change worse.
Why do people cut the trees and what can we do to stop it?
People cut down trees to make room for farms, to get wood and to build cities. But we can help by using less wood, planting trees and telling...
That sounds realizable. So, what happens if you don't stop cutting down trees?
If you keep cutting down trees, animals lose their home, the air gets dirtier and the weather gets even crazier. It's important for everyone to do their part to save trees.
Thanks for watching. Let's all work together to keep our forests safe for animals and for us. See you next time.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Julia, and today's topic of the show is global warming. Now, what is the definition of global warming? This is the long-term increase of Earth's surface temperature. It has many causes, but mainly human activities, for example, greenhouse gas emissions, burning fuels, deforestation, industrial processes, agriculture, and many more activities that not most people are aware are really harmful. Also, there are a lot of negative effects like heat waves, melting polar ice caps, and rising sea levels. Our appeal to you is that slowing down global warming needs cooperation. We people should combine powers for one better Earth. And now let's see a statistic about global warming in the future. Okay, so here we can see how it is predicted and expected for global warming to rise in some of the big cities. Now let's hear an interview with an ecology specialist.
Hi guys, today we are in a little Polish city and we are going to meet the expert ecologist Lidia Karapova.
Hi.
Hi Lidia. I wanted to talk with you about really popular topic right now in the ecological environment and more specifically the global warming. Many people are trying their best to stop it, but most of the big factories and poor countries are extremely harmful to the environment. Lidia, what do you think about the global warming?
So, I think the global warming is a big problem. It makes the earth hotter and changes the weather. I think we all need to work together to stop it. We can do things like using less energy, recycling more. It's important to take action now to protect our planet.
Okay, and how does human activity contribute to the global warming?
So, humans make global warming worse by doing things like burning coal, oil and gas. These activities release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the air. These gases trap heat from the sun, making the earth warmer.
Okay, and can you suggest some ideas for the people that are watching us in the moment, how to stop it?
Yes, I can. We can do things like using less energy and recycling more. It's important to take action now to protect our planet. I say it again because it is an important thing for me. I believe if everyone works together, we can make a big difference.
Okay, thank you very much. And this is from us. Back to the studio.
In conclusion, it's important to protect the planet and leave it safe for the next generations. Thank you for watching.
Hello, we are with Erasmus Plus TV and today we are going to talk about trash segregation. For the purpose we have invited a specialist. Thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me.
So let's start with a little explanation of this term.
So, trash segregation is the process of identifying and sorting of garbage and waste products.
How can we separate them?
We can use recycling bins. They are different in almost every country, but in Bulgaria they are blue for paper, green for glass and yellow for plastic. And I think we can all make a big difference if we start recycling most of our garbage.
Okay, that's a good point, thank you. Now other specialist is going to show some statistics.
Hello there, that's a statistic of how many people recycled
total years in the world. As you can see, the most people recycled in 2012 and the least in 2010. The number is getting lower and lower, which means we have to change that.
Thank you both so much. See you soon again, viewers.